Today, we're going to bring a USB to Lightning Bolt charging station for your iPhone or your iPad. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. This is actually not an original one, but it's actually an actual unit you can purchase now. It's a lot cheaper than the original one, but the Type C, you're going to be get a faster connection with your Lightning connection. So we're going to take a look at it and connect our iPhone and see how fast it's going to take to charge. Of course, we get the same kind of connection. Actually, we get a faster connection with the actual Type C instead of the USB. So it's going to take a couple minutes to actually get it fully charged. Unfortunately, iPhone, you can't tell how many minutes it's going to take you to charge, but the connection works the same. I have a regular USB one. And with the actual Type C, it's a lot better and faster. You get better services too. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.